If you have been wondering and maybe surfing the internet tirelessly for a single way that you can use to get somebody's location, maybe their pictures through their camera and stuff like that, this video is the right video for you, because in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can use social engineering attacks to get all those information that you want to get from a person. But mind you, this video, it is not one way. You need to have some phishing techniques, okay? Because you are going to create a link that you can send to that somebody and you gain full access of whatever device they are using. This is the tool that I created myself. Now without further talking, let's go and see it in action. Okay, now once you're back, I need you to go on your GitHub maybe, but for you don't mind, because I'll put the link of this tool in my description box down below or the comment section. But the tool itself, I named it Ego, okay? Here it is. Just go ahead and press Ego and it will open Ego for you, alright? Alright, here's the tool, alright? So as you can see right over here, all you just need to do right now is go ahead and click on code right over here, then click on copy this code, then come back, open up your terminal really quickly, then change directory to whatever place you want to change directory to, so that you can go ahead and clone this thing. So when I go ahead right over here, just type in git clone, then you paste in the link that you just copied. After there, everything will be cloned. Okay, now let us clone this thing really quickly. Ego already exists. Okay, so I gotta remove the ego that already existed. RIF ego there. Now let us git clone it. As you can see, it is cloning to ego. Okay, right now Ego is done. When you list everything, I know you'll see a lot of projects of mine right over here, but don't you worry. So as you can see over here, here is Ego. Now we are going to change directory to Ego, okay? So change directory to Ego, list everything found on Ego. As you can see right over here, here's Ego. Now the first thing you need to install requirements.txt. This file contains all the requirements you need to run this software. So go ahead and cut requirements.txt, okay, and see everything. So here are just the 4 requirements that are needed, so it is not such a big deal. First of all, you're going to create a virtual environment. So you're going to tell python make vnv, okay, I'm sorry, python make vnv, let's call it spy vnv, okay? Press enter right over here. It will take seconds for Python to create or make your virtual environment. Now right now you're going to activate your virtual environment. For Linux, you will write this code. For Windows, I'll put the code on the screen right now, okay? And now right now just press enter, and as you can see right over here, your virtual environment is already activated. So the next thing you're going to do, it is installing all the requirements.txt. So type in pip install -r requirements.txt and press enter. It will start installing everything. This might take a moment, so let's come back when it's done. Okay, right now everything is done. So right now all you need to do, as you can see right over here in your here, this tool, whatever, get your latitude, longitude, device information, IP address, and stuff like that. So if you want to run this thing, as you can see here, there is Windows. It is compatible for Linux, Android, Mac OS, and here are the requirements you need to have, okay? So right now, as you can see, you git clone it, you install everything, then you run it. It's really easily and it's really quick. So right there, as you can see, there is Ego. Let me make this thing bigger a little bit. Here's Ego, okay? Created by and whatever, stuff like that, right? So first thing, you need to have a GitHub, a Discord webhook, all right? But I'll show you in a minute how to get that. So first of all, let's try targeting the GPS location of our target, right? So press number 1, press enter there. Enter Discord webhook, okay? Here it is somewhere where all the output will be sent. So go into your Discord, and once you're in your Discord, I want you to go ahead and create a channel. You maybe create a channel, and after create a channel, for instance, I have this channel in my Kevdyne Tech Fortress, alright? This is my Discord server, and this channel is called General. Once you're in General channel, go right over here, click on integrations, then click on webhooks. As you can see, I already have one webhook, and you can create a new webhook. Okay, go ahead and click new webhook, and it will create new webhook. As you can see, here is the new webhook I just created right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete this webhook because I already have another webhook. Here is the webhook that I have. So I want you to go ahead and copy the webhook URL, close this thing right over here, and let's just paste it here so that you don't forget it. Press it there. Okay, now here's our webhook URL. So right now you are going to paste that same URL right here in your terminal. There, press enter. It will connect to webhook, as you can see over here. Now you'll choose port forwarding options. As you can see, there is Server, but unfortunately it is down currently, not working. But Cloudflare is the one I recommend for you. If none, it will use another method, for instance ngrok, but I do recommend you using Cloudflare. So go ahead and press number 2 for Cloudflare. If you do not have Cloudflare installed in your system, it will automatically start the installation for you if it is your first time using Cloudflare, so do not worry. Okay, so as you can see right over here, everything is done, and it is boom. Here's the link that you will send to your person. Okay, any person that you want to maybe make him or her your target. But listen to me really carefully. In the next video, I will also give you another software that I'm working on that works on converting some malicious links like this into something nobody will ever know, like a normal legitimate link. Okay, I'm working on that, so stay tuned, subscribe, get notified, so whatever or whenever that video comes up, okay, whenever I post that video, you'll be the first one to get the results. You'll be the first one to get notified and see how cool that video is, because you do not want to miss that tool. That tool is amazing. So instead of sending this long link, you just send the short form of it, right? So without further talking, I'm just gonna go ahead and open maybe my phone really quickly, and in my phone I am going to paste that link. And yeah, once you're finished writing your link, I want you to go ahead and press enter so that it will open a simple chat with strangers. Okay, as you can see right over here in my computer, Discord has just gave me one new message because in my phone I have opened this thing. Okay, like it is like Omegle or Ome TV, stuff like that. It is not real actually, so it is kind of simulated. So as you can see from here, okay, here it is your target. Here it is your target, and it is from language, it is US and stuff like that. So as you can see right now, it is asking to use my device's location. So if you click allow right over here, and most people clicks allow because as you can see, you can never use this website without allowing your location. All right, it is like using monkey.app or Omegle. You need to allow your location and stuff like that. So I just click never allow. Okay, and yeah, I'll just click never allow and stuff like that. So as you can see in my computer right over here, user denied the request for geolocation. Yeah, I denied this location, this request of geolocation usage twice, so stuff like that. If somebody's agree, it will give you their geolocation. So as you can see, here is my IP address. As you can see, target IP. I don't know if it's actually legal to show you this stuff. Please do not hack me. And here are some other information that you might need actually. So as you can see, you can go right above here, and I can show you one other thing. So as you can see, last time I used another device to access this type of link, I allowed the geolocation. As you can see, here is the longitude and the latitude. If you put this in Google Maps, you will see the current location. So as you can see, there is also links right over here, the map location, and as you can see, the Google Earth location, so stuff like that. So here's some other stuff you might be in handy whenever you're using these kind of things. So another thing that I want to show you guys, all right, really quickly, really amazing. Let's go back right over here, and let's Control C to end this stuff, and let's open it once again. So right now we are going to try to capture image. Okay, so press 2, press enter right over here, enter your Discord webhook. Okay guys, Discord webhook, there it is, press enter. Okay, and there, use Cloudflare as recommended, stuff like that. You'll be given a link and stuff like that, and we are going to try accessing that link in our computer, not in our phone. So open the link really quickly. As you can see, it will start capturing and taking pictures of me. I'm not in a very good mood right now, so As you can see, it will ask you for your camera. So as you all know, you can never go on Omegle without accessing your camera. All right, so there it is, your camera has been accessed. And as you can go back here in your Discord server, pictures are being taken. Okay, pictures are being taken every single second. So close this one to stop whatever madness is going on right over here. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. Okay, yeah, and stuff like that. So as you can see, here is my new IP. I think this is the IP of my, you know, my Linux machine and stuff like that. So that's it for today. All right, there is also another thing. You can go over here and let's do this. Yes, so as you can see, Eagle can also gives you all of it. Okay, so you can use 1, 2, 3 all at the same time. Okay, so you can track their GPS location, capture the image, also fetch the target IP address all at once. All you just need to do, press 4, then paste your webhook, and after that it will give you number 2, maybe. There it is, and there it is. All right, everything will be running and stuff like that. You just don't need to hustle. This software I just created, this tool, is actually amazing. Just go ahead and give us some stars in GitHub and stuff like that, or and also subscribe, comment down below to make sure I remember creating that another tool that I've just promised you, that converts some fishy looking links like this one into something very legit nobody will ever know. Trust me, I will come with that video, and I want you to subscribe, like this video, share with friends and family. And I think this might be the end of this video today, because I just showed you a lot. Okay, and if you do not know how to use phishing attacks, maybe sending phishing emails, it's okay, I got that video for you in my YouTube video section. All right, just go there and search for it. Or as you can see in your right top corner, you can see that video recommended for you, or at the end of this video I recommend that video for you, or I'll put the link of that video in the description box. It is up to you, because I know you will see that video. So with that being said, so catch you in the next one guys. Cheers.